bad fog at the airport here today. This is the kind of fog that can cause massive delays. I think this is Category 2, Category 3 Autoland sort of conditions. We'll check the weather here once we safely land. Commuting to work today in typically really foggy conditions here at Sacramento International Airport. Metro, isn't that what we used to call it? We go inside the car here and show you what some of the special considerations are for getting in and out of these foggy conditions. Remember, we talked about Category 3 Autoland approaches and the ability for the radar altimeter to perform that magic for you, and the importance of why we need the 5G compatibility with today's older radar altimeters in our fleet of airliners. Well, I just heard one take off. So the current weather is RVR for 17 right, runway visual range of only 1,400 feet. Visibility up here in the descriptor is an 1/8 mile. Yeah, there it is. Runway 17 right, RVR 1,400 feet. Vertical visibility 100 feet. Visibility 0.13 statute miles. So well below Category 1 landing minimums. Let's go take a look at the plates. So if you look at a regular generic ILS approach, your typical minimums are a 1/2 mile minimum. So we're below those mins. So you got to go Cat 2, Cat 3. So you go Cat 2, Cat 3. Here's the one for 17 right. We've got Category 2, 1,200 RVR. We're currently at 1,400 RVR, so you're good for that approach. If you got a decision height, the radar altimeter, decision height 125 feet, 103 on the radar altimeter. Category 3 Autoland, no decision height or altitude, just RVR of 600 feet. That's an Autoland. Both of these are Autoland, depending on your company policy. So not only does the aircraft need to be current and qualified for this, but the aircrew needs to be current and qualified for this procedure as well. And that's how you get in and out of these foggy conditions. There's a runway out there somewhere. You can hear him, but you can't see him. Now, as far as takeoff goes, you can take off right down to the minimums. You're just going to need a takeoff alternate airport if in the event the minimums are below that for a single engine return for your aircraft. So you'll need a fuel plan for that. Other than that, you can take off right down to those ILS minimums for your aircraft. Part 121. Part 91, it's all different. The whole idea with takeoff alternate planning in conditions of low visibility is what are you going to do in the event of an emergency? What if you blow an engine in this fog? Are you capable of coming back around on one engine and performing the instrument approach down to these visibility minimums? For example, the Boeing 777 is the only aircraft that I know of that the answer is yes. You can do a single engine Category 3 ILS auto land in that aircraft. And I think that's the only aircraft that I've flown that has that capability. Most aircraft, when you're down to a single engine, you're down to Category 1 ILS minimums. So that requires that if you have an emergency on a low visibility situation like this, you're going to have to go to a takeoff alternate, a different airport. Just a couple of delays, minor delays. Very good. Visibility's improved. Looks like the viz has dropped back down again. You can count the runway lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A few more. In the soup.
here.